Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox shirts. First, you'll need a Roblox Premium subscription, which is essential for uploading your creations. Next, download the official shirt template directly from the Roblox website. You'll also need access to image editing software, such as GIMP or Photoshop, to bring your design to life. Remember to always follow Roblox's community guidelines throughout the process. Now, let's get creative. Open the Roblox shirt template in your image editing software. Use different layers to add colors, patterns, and unique graphics to the various sections, like the front, back, and sleeves. Precision is key here to ensure your shirt looks great in-game. Once your masterpiece is complete, save it as a PNG file, making sure the background is transparent. With your design ready, it's time to upload it to Roblox. Head over to the Create section on the Roblox website. From there, select Shirts under the My Creations tab. You'll then click Choose File to upload your PNG design. Don't forget to give your shirt a catchy name and a brief description so others can easily find it. Finally, you can make your shirt available for others to purchase. After uploading, go to your shirt's item page to configure it for sale. You'll need to set a price in Robux. Remember, Roblox takes a 30% commission from each sale, so factor that into your pricing. Promote your shirt to attract buyers and start earning Robux from your awesome creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.